Nominated for Supplier of the Year, Trojan Labor is a full-service labor company started in 2004 with just one office location in downtown Nashville. It has since expanded to serve all of Middle Tennessee, with additional offices in Columbia and Clarksville. The company specializes in construction staffing, skilled and unskilled, for both short-term and long-term assignments, as well as various lighter industries, such as hospitality, traffic control, asbestos abatement, and off-duty police and security. A proud member of AGC, Trojan Labor is also certified by the Governor's Office DBE, WBE, and SBE, as well as registered with TDOT and the Metro Airport Authority, as well as registered with TDOT and the Metro Airport Authority. Trojan Labor has spent a busy 2012 supplying general and skilled labor to two of the most extraordinary projects the city has known.